Welcome to the Powermesh Dimmable Light Switch installation video. In just a few minutes, you'll see how quick and simple setup is, plus some of the great features. Warning: this product must only be installed by a licensed electrician to Australian wiring standards. Incorrect installation could result in serious injury or death. Before we begin, it's important to understand this is a light switch and dimmer in one. Make sure the lights are a compatible dimmable load type, as shown in the instruction booklet. Also shown are the different wiring schematics for 1-, 2- or 3-way switching. What's really great is the dimmer can be used with or without a neutral wire at the wall. Choose which of these options best suits your installation. Okay, let's start by turning the power off and then removing the existing switch or dimmer. For a new installation, simply prepare as you normally would. Using the included cutout template will make this easier. Now, on the back of the dimmer that the lighting load will be connected to, check that switch 1 is set to master. For 2- or 3-way switching, the additional dimmers should be switched to slave. It's that simple. Now connect the wires to the load and active terminals, as per the instructions. If there's a neutral available at the wall, set switch 2 accordingly. Just to be sure, let's refer to the instructions, which clearly show the wiring in switch positions. Proceed to finish installing the dimmer, and don't forget to insert the 2 safety plugs before snapping on your preferred faceplate. When you've finished installing everything else, we can continue. Okay, turn the power on. The Powermesh logo should be blue, showing it's ready to pair. Try it with a simple press to turn the lights on or off. Press and hold to dim up or down. The mini indicator shows the brightness level. Also try a double press for instant full brightness, or a triple press for a smooth time fade off, which can be customised later. Please note that slave units won't work until paired with the master in Zimmy. To help with this, I'll hand you over to my better half.
Okay, great. I can help you with this. First, download Zimmy from your favourite app store. Next, create an account if you don't already have one, then continue to log in. Welcome to Zimmy. Let's start by clicking on Powermesh to create a new network. Let's name it My Home, for example. Zimmy will automatically start searching for new devices. Hold your phone near a master dimmer. This may take up to 30 seconds. If you're having problems, make sure your phone software is updated and Bluetooth is on. Found it! The logo should be pulsing and it's appeared on the screen. Let's name the device such as downlights or bench lights. Now choose a room or create your own. That's it! You've finished the setup. To add more devices, click the menu, then Manage, then the plus icon next to devices. If you pair any slave units, you'll be prompted to select the master and they will act as one, with the same behaviour. It's that easy. Now that the dimmers are paired, let's look at some of the features. Start with the control screen where you can turn lights on and off with a single touch, or use the slider to set the brightness. Touching this icon will activate the timed fade off. The All Off button is really handy to quickly turn off all the lights in this room. To control lights in another room, just touch the room, then choose Another. Now let's set up an automatic schedule for the lounge room lights. Let's turn them on at 6 p.m. to 65% brightness every day of the week. Done! That's how easy it is to set up a schedule. Zimmy also shows you how much power your lights are using. Select Energy Use, then enter your electricity price. You can toggle between the amount of power being used or the actual cost in dollars and cents. Let's finish in the Settings screen and pick a light to configure. Here, you can change the fade to off time, turn off the LED logo, and update the firmware if needed. Most importantly, you can set the dimming range best suited to your lights for a tailored lighting experience. Well, that's how easy it is to install the dimmer and control lighting with Zimmy. To watch more installation videos for other Powermesh products, To get help or learn more about Zimmy, please visit www.zimmy.life.